Okay, my name is Varun Kurtkoti, and I studied in Srishti, and now I'm here still. And this story that I heard was something that a very elderly person had narrated this to us in Kutch. His name was Abdullah Bhai, and we were doing our diploma shoot, and that's when I heard this, and that sort of formed the crux of my entire film. So this story, it goes like this. It's about the parvanes, which are the moths, and the flies. So what happened was one day, a bunch of flies were really angry, and they went to the king of flies, king of moths, and then they asked the king of moths, "Okay, why are you called parvane, which is such a high darja, a level pedestal, when compared to us, whereas we are just called flies or machhar, whatever?" And then the king of moths said, "It's because we are called, because you are not parvanes." So the flies said, "Arey, we can also fly. हमें भी आता है उड़ना. So we also have wings. You also have wings. What's the big difference that you are called parvane and we are not called parvane?" So the king of moths said, "Acha, ठीक है. Let's see what happens. I'll send all my moths to find sources of light, and I'll also send you to find the sources of light around this place, in this village where they were all based in. Let's see what information you can get, and then depending on that, we will make a decision whether to call you parvanes or not." And then the flies said, yes, they were very enthusiastic, and they said, "Fine." They strategized, and they all divided themselves into groups and said कि किसी को भी अगर एक source of light मिल जाए तो सब उसी की तरफ जाएंगे, and then we will understand everything and then come back. So they all go, and then moths are also going, and then the flies also go. They take time till the evening, and they find a candle, and the moths are still coming. So the flies had come to the candle even before the moths could, and they're like, "Yes, we found the information first, so we definitely qualify." And then they come back. They come back to the king of moths, and then they tell him, "देखो, अब तो हमें मिल गया है. We know where the source of light is and what that source of light is. It's a candle. We have seen it, and we have come back to you. Now, can we be called parvanes?" And then the king of moths says, "But wait, what happened to all the moths which were also looking for the lights?" And then the flies say, "Oh, वो तो जल के मर गए उसमें. They just drowned in the fire." And then the king of moths says कि that's exactly what you did not do. You did not jump into the light. You saw it, but you never experienced it. And that's exactly why they are called parvane, because they were stupid enough to actually jump into it and not think too much about it and make themselves one into that particular source of light. And that's why they are called parvanes and you are not called parvanes. So yeah, this is a very short story, but it's a simple one which had a tremendous effect on how you look at Sufism as such.